people, this is Khushi Zawar and you're welcome here. So recently I've purchased a lot of products for my makeup kit under 350 rupees. Products belong to a very good and renowned brand and all of them have ratings above 4 stars on their websites. I have ordered these products from Flipkart and Amazon and this is how I saved a lot of money. So none of these products were ordered during the sale, but if you catch the dates, then you may find it cheaper. Also, if you like these products and may want to purchase it, I have linked them in the description box below. This is a try on haul, so I'll give my honest reviews for your better purchase. Now, let's get into the video. As you can see, there is nothing on my face and I've got a tray full of products by which we'll do our today's makeup. So I have moisturized my face already and the first product we use is this primer. It says it is from Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. So it feels like a moisturizer. Let's see how it works. So definitely it has brightened my skin and I guess it has modified my pores and also my skin feels a bit moisturized. So definitely this one's working for me and I'll rate this product 4.5 out of 5. It has highlighted my skin a lot and yes, definitely it is doing its job. So thumbs up. So the next step is of concealer and I've got Swiss Beauty concealer. It says liquid concealer and it measures 5.6 grams. This is in the shade Sand Sable. I guess it is doing its job. It has got a good coverage for just at 183 rupees. Its MRP was 200 but I got it for 183. Yes, it's a good one. I'll rate this 4 out of 5. It's amazing. Next step goes for the foundation. Again, this is from Swiss Beauty. It is high coverage waterproof base foundation. It gives silk touch to create a nude makeup. As you can see, it has given me a great coverage. It has covered all the redness on my skin and gave it an even tone. I like it. So this will be a 5 and 5. It is amazing and must buy. This costed me just 310 bucks. That's it. It is very worthy and also look at the quantity you get. So the next step goes for setting your concealer. I've got this compact from Lakme. It is Radiance Compact and this is how it looks. So it has got a puff inside and a little mirror. But I'll use my own brush. It is amazing. Little touch of it has covered all my face. And yes, it has also set my concealer. So this is in the shade Natural Coral and I would like to rate it 4 out of 5. So next step goes for eyeshadow. I couldn't find any good eyeshadow palette with a good rating under 350 rupees. So I'm here with this one. It says Color Board Palette from Beauty Glazed. It just costed me 420 bucks. Okay, maybe the price have increased now, but yes, it costed me 420 bucks and look. It has got 4 layers of eyeshadow. You get all the colors you want. The first layer is of greens. second one goes for warmer colors, orange and yellows. Then here you go, it goes for blues and purples, and the last one is for pink. You get all the colors covered in one single eyeshadow palette, which is just for 420. So yes, for the price it is amazing. Let's see how the pigmentation it is and how it works. So I'll be using this palette for my eye look, but now I'll show how pigmented other palettes are. So this shade is from the green one. It is quite pigmented. You can see these are quite pigmented, and yes, this is for the glitter ones, the ones who like glitter. These glitters are very pretty, and you can find 3 glitters in each palette. I just used a little, just this much, and it covered my entire eye. I should definitely say that it is very well pigmented. For the darker shade, I'll go for this brown. My makeup is yet not done, but look at the pigmentation it has got. Even from so far, you can see all the orange and the darker and lighter tints and tones. So just for trying out the glitter ones. So I'm very happy with this purchase. What do you expect to get under 420 bucks? You have got a lot of variety of colors, and as you can see, it is very pigmented. So definitely a big thumbs up from my side for this one. Go ahead and purchase this. So the next step is of an eyeliner. This is from Lakme. It says Insta Eyeliner Water Resistant. It has got a very flexible wand, so let's try it out. So as you can see, it has given me a very flowy thing. And yes, I like this liner. So I'll rate it 4 out of 5, and this has just costed me 110 bucks. So next we'll go for mascara. I bought this mascara from Oriflame. It says no compromise mascara, and yes, let's try it out. So as you can see, I have applied mascara a lot of time. Definitely yes, it is nice. It has separated my eyelashes and given it a denser look. But yes, if you are purchasing this, then just keep in mind that you have to apply and give it 2 or 3 coats. You won't be satisfied in one. So I'll rate this one 3 out of 5 because it has costed me 350 bucks, and I could spot a lot of mascaras under this range. So the next one comes as blush, contour and highlighter, all 3 in one. I've got this product from Swiss Beauty. It says Baked Blusher and Highlighter. It costed me around 250 bucks. This is how it looks. It has got 2 shades of blush, contour and highlighter. So let's try out the blush first. So I applied it by looking in the screen, but it is not visible here. But when I saw it in the mirror, it gave a very pretty blush on my skin, and it was pretty natural. I don't know what's happening, and you cannot see it at all. That was the reason I was applying it a lot. But yes, this one is a good one. I can rate blush 4 out of 5. So next step is for contouring. maybe again you cannot see the contour, but when I saw it in the mirror, it was amazing. It gave me really good face cuts, and maybe you can see the nose cutting. It was quite nice, and also the cheek cuts were good. I didn't do jawline, but yes, it's amazing. It's nice. I'll go for 4.5 for the contour, and now let's try out the highlighter. Highlighter is the best. It gives me so natural and subtle look. I don't know what to recommend. It will be 6 and 5. It is amazing. I'll recommend to buy this one. It is just $260 and it gives you all highlighted contour and blush, and all are so fabulous. I don't know what to say, but after highlighting, my entire look is changed. I'm very happy with this one also. So the next one is Makeup Fixer. This is from Wet n Wild. It says Photo Focus Spinny Natural. I have got this for $300, not this price. Let's see how it works. So this spray is very nice. It doesn't even feel like anything. It was perfect, and it was not even very wet for my skin. And yes, but it smells like homeopathic medicine. Never mind, it was good for me. So I'll rate it 3.5. Now let's hop into the next one. So next one, I've got two lipsticks. This is from Lakme and it says Enrich Lip Crayon. This is in shade Mauve Magic and it costed me $220. This is from Maybelline and this doesn't say anything. This is in the shade Walnut MNU 13 and it costed me something around $300. So I'll try this pink one because it will go with my look. So I'll show it to you how it looks in hand. It is amazing. It is coffee brown in shade and you'll love it if you are more into darker tones. Nice. Let's go for the pink one. It is creamy and also it is not dry. And I love this shade. It is looking really pretty. So I will rate it 4.5. It's amazing and it is very cheap. So that was it for today's video. Hopefully this video is quite informative and it will help you with your shopping. And also if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please share it with your friends. Here are before and after pictures. Bye.